Hello. Hello.
And today we've got July's Degustabox, which Caitlin and Aaron are going to show you what's inside.
Are we?
Well, unless you want me to do it. Go on then. I'll take the leaflets.
Those have got these
Babetto, I can't say that word.
Babetto.
Babetto.
Party mix.
Party mix tub.
Fizzy gummy mix.
Fizzy gummy sweets.
They look so good. Don't mind.
Says they're the fastest growing brand in the UK. These are available at Morrison's, Selector Spar stores and Best Way, and they are £2 a tub. They do look nice, don't they? And the next item, Caitlin?
Are these 100% vegan and gluten-free plant popped lotus seeds peanut butter flavour.
Lotus seeds. They are £1.50 and they're available from Amazon, online at plantpopsnacks.com, the Vegan Kind Supermarket, RV Nichols, Londy's and Woodburgans. Did I say they're £1.50? They're £1.50.
And give them to Haley.
Oh, I'll eat them. They're my daily. Oh, that looks nice, Aaron.
Nesquik. Is it a milkshake?
Oh, natural milkshake powder. Yeah, Nesquik.
I love that. Is that the chocolate milkshake?
Yeah, the chocolate one.
Contains no artificial sweeteners or flavourings and has a nice chocolatey taste. Available from Tesco and Sainsbury's, and it's £1.89.
Okay, this is Nat Via Sweet Natural Living, the 100% natural source sweets.
It's natural sweetener,
No.
and it's £5 a tub.
Yeah, it's organic as well.
Yeah, I've had that before, and
0 calories.
I've had that before, and I really like it actually. It's better than using sugar.
Next up, we got this Minor Figures coffee, Nitro Cold Brew,
Natural cold brew,
mocha.
mocha flavour. That one you got the £1.95 each.
Just coffee.
It's cold coffee, yeah.
Mine.
They are ready to drink and best served chilled.
Okay.
There's one more of these. If I can find it. That's
You've got peanut butter. Money Life peanut butter little tub things.
deep roasted crunchy peanut butter, original roasted crunchy peanut butter.
They're from Sainsbury's and they are 60p each.
This is a Premier Protein chocolate brownie flavour. Looks so good.
Premier Protein Bar chocolate brownie flavour, £1.49 each. It's got 20 grams of protein and only 1.3 grams of sugar. And you can get it in chocolate brownie flavour, white chocolate vanilla flavour or chocolate peanut butter. And it's from Ocado or WH Smith Travel.
There's one more.
What you got?
Yes, let's get into this.
You do it. If I
What do
can.
you do?
Next we got this golden Greek maple syrup blended with sugar syrup. I meant to need some more syrup because
What is it? Golden syrup? Maple syrup?
Yeah.
Maple syrup.
Yeah, I actually need some more maple syrup.
Because you're stealing it all for your pancakes.
Yeah.
This is £2.49 and it's available from Avocado and Home Bargains. Aaron has got the Skinny Food
Sauce.
Co.
White chocolate.
These are little sachets of different things.
White chocolate, tomato ketchup, garlic mayo, and original mayo.
These are available from skinnyfoodco, skinnyfoodco.com, Morrison's Spar or Co-op. And they've got like tomato sauce, that's a white chocolate sauce, garlic mayo,
And original
and original mayo. You can get different ones as well. There's a mixture that you can get.
Okay, so here we have got vegan Wonder the alternative milk. High in protein, epic and everything. Pour it, froth it, drink it, cup it with.
This one, yeah, is a vegan milk and it's $1.99. But this one is not coming out in the shops until next year.
Is it not?
No, that's what it says on here. It says not coming out until next year.
Really?
It's high in protein and low in sugar and fat and fortified with vitamins A, D, B2 and B12. This is the last one.
Yeah.
And what's that called then? Prava. It's a lighter tasting Pilsner.
Is it alcohol?
Yeah.
Yes. It is. No, it's not alcohol. Is it alcohol?
I'm pretty
Yeah,
sure it
4% volume. Obviously, alcohol. 4% volume. It's brewed in the UK and available in major supermarket chains, and it's £2 a bottle. Well, I'll give that one to Daddy, won't we?
Yeah.
Is that everything?
Yeah.
Should be.
So yeah, that's everything. You're not hiding anything, are you?
These peanuts with what he said.
Oh, you said them. Alright, that's everything. What's your most looking forward to eating? I can guess.
Well,
What you
actually I have two things.
Oh, do you?
I have two.
Yours then.
The Nesquik
Oh,
milkshake
yes.
and the sweets.
I have three.
What's yours?
I have the sweets, the Nesquik, and the white chocolate. That's
I
mine.
don't have
What's that? What is that? Is it just plain white chocolate?
Yeah, white chocolate. Look.
Like,
Look at that.
like
It's
sauce, yeah.
Just, it's melted white chocolate.
No.
No, for me.
Yes.
I like the protein bar. And the sugar. The fake sweetener. The sweetener.
Yeah.
Fake sugar.
This.
But I don't think you like the peanuts one.
Yeah.
Hot lotus seeds. Yeah, they sound nice. I don't know what
Yes.
lotus seeds are. I've never tried them.
I think if Hayley was here, she would choose the vegan milk.
Yeah, Hayley would.
Yeah, so we'll give these all a try and we'll
Tell you what we think about them.
yeah, and we'll leave the review. Oh dear.
That was a cough and a sneeze at the same time.
Cough and a sneeze at the same time. And then we'll leave the review on the blog in about a week or so's time after we've tried everything, won't we, Caitlin?
So, bye guys. You better subscribe now.
Or else.
I will eat you.
Or else she was flatty like a pancake, because that's what she does. I don't know.
Okay, bye.
Bye.